Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today we are test driving a Skoda Octavia. Yeah, let's start. So first things first, under the hood there is a 4-cylinder diesel engine. It has 1.6 liter and produces about 114 horses. This car is powered through a manual transmission, manual gearbox. It is a 5-speed one. And this is really rubbish. I don't know why you put in a 5-speed manual transmission into a car that was built in 2019. What the fuck? But okay. Yeah. Why I think this is shit? Because on the Autobahn there would be a 6th gear really necessary. Interior wise, it's I think the basic equipment or something of the lower equipment, because there aren't leather seats or something. In here it is, or there is a lot of plastic, like plastic all over. Therefore this car is not an Audi or a BMW. But that's what you will expect in an Octavia. It is quite a big car, I think. You can fit 5 persons easily, and they all got enough knee room. And the boot or the trunk is, yeah, it is really good as well. There is a lot of space. This car is really modern, I think. You got some different modes here, what you can see, like oil temperature or the fuel economy, speed, and so on. You got a light sensor, you got a rain sensor. The light is really good, it is bright and yeah, you see everything, but it has not corner lightning, or yeah, it has, but it is like your fog lights go on. This is not, for me this is not corner lighting. Yeah, the light does not move in the corner like what it should do, but this is something unimportant, I think. You got active cruise control, therefore you set up a speed like 80 and it recognizes the car in front of you becoming slowing down or getting faster, and then it accelerates or brakes. Of course not, it won't get faster than the speed you choose at the beginning. Today the weather is quite good, so there are many bicycles, or yeah, many sporty people around. But that's good. Do something for your health. Yeah, what else? I got a lane keeping system or assistant. It works quite good, but unfortunately only on the Autobahn or the motorway. Like the white stripes, they have to be really good visible. Therefore countryside's roads aren't perfect, because they often are, yeah, here in Austria they often aren't this clean, the white stripes. Therefore the system does not know where to keep the car, and it happens sometime that it stops steering for, yeah, without a warning, and therefore you will crash. But of course, normally you have to watch the car what it is doing, but we all know what we are doing while the car steers its own. Another, yo guys, but nothing the less, on the Autobahn it works quite well, so you can drive over long distances without steering. But of course every, I don't know, 10 seconds or stuff, the car tells you to grab the steering wheel. But yeah, this is like just a little bit of that and it goes on steering itself. I got heated seats, it works quite good, and a heated steering wheel. There is a good infotainment system in here, it is touch. You got a navigation system. The navigation system is not the best, I got to point out, cause you have to enter first the land or the country, like Austria, and then it wants you to say the city, like Linz for example, and then enter the street, and that's a separate line for every three of them. And why I don't like that, because often you only know the street and where it should be around, like maybe it might be in Linz or it could be a smaller city nearby, so it isn't really called Linz, and yeah, it's not perfect. I really love to use the map on my Apple iPhone. This works for me way better, really way better than this shit. But the music is, the sound quality is really good, I think, for such a car. It is Bluetooth, of course, and it connects automatically. Therefore I get in the car, Bluetooth on my phone, and it connects automatically and starts playing. I really like that, because of course it starts only playing if you got Spotify open behind. Yeah, that's really good. The fuel economy is about 5.0 liters per 100 kilometers. This is a good thing, I think, but yeah. I mean, a 3 Series BMW diesel engine from 2000 also could manage to do this, so I don't know. It's not some improvement, but it is not bad, of course. You also have to get some AdBlue due to the CO2 emissions. But yeah, you fill it up every 10 or 15,000 kilometers, or even more. I'm not really sure. I did not do this so far, so this is not a big deal, but it is something to do. In the night, or of course during the day, it is lightning as well, but here in the door there are LED stripes here in the back side, as well. I'm sorry for the call. I hope you did not get interrupted. So the LEDs, they are adjustable in different colors, but there aren't many. It is about only 8 or 10 colors and that's it. But okay, I'm happy with those colors, like green, blue, red, orange, and so on. Yeah, I got automatic climate control and the climate control. Yeah, you got everything you need in this car. But of course, I would say comfort-wise, it is of course no BMW. You know what you get for your money if you buy a premium car. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a fantastic day. Please support me, subscribe my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends or strangers. It's up to you, but please support me. Thank you guys, and goodbye.